Hello little bees, tonight we are going to practice our dragon breaths. But don't worry, these are not fiery dragon breaths. These are sleepy dragon breaths, the kind that help dragons relax before bedtime. Get comfortable, sit or lie down. Let your hands rest softly by your sides. Now imagine you are a gentle dragon resting on a cloud. Your wings are folded, your eyes are soft, and you are getting ready for sleep. Let's begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Fill your belly like a balloon. Now slowly blow the air out, like a dragon blowing a tiny puff of cloud. Very good. Let's try again. Breathe in, slowly, slowly, and breathe out. Puff. Wonderful. The dragon cloud beneath you feels soft and warm. Each breath makes it float a little higher. Let's do 3 dragon breaths together. Breath 1. In and out. Breath 2. In and out. Breath 3. In and out. Excellent. Now imagine your dragon tail becoming heavy. Very heavy. Resting comfortably on your cloud. Take a slow dragon breath. In and out. Now your dragon feet feel heavy, relaxed, peaceful. Another dragon breath. In and out. Now your dragon wings feel heavy too. No need to flap, no need to fly, just resting. Take another slow breath in and out. Wonderful. The stars begin appearing in the sky around you. Tiny sparkles. Each star lights up when you take a slow breath. Breathe in. A star twinkles. Breathe out. Another star twinkles. In. Twinkle. Out. Twinkle. Soon the whole sky is glowing with gentle stars. You feel calm, you feel safe, you feel happy, and you feel sleepy. The cloud drifts slowly across the night sky. Nothing is rushing, nothing is loud, only soft dragon breaths. Let's take 5 sleepy dragon breaths together. 1. In and out. 2. In and out. 3. In and out. 4. In and out. 5. In and out. Excellent work. Your dragon body feels relaxed. Your wings are resting. Your tail is resting. Your feet are resting. Even your thoughts are resting. The cloud carries you gently through the starry sky. You may notice your eyes feeling heavy, very heavy, sleepy and comfortable. The stars seem further away now. The clouds feel softer. The night grows quieter, and your dragon breaths become slower and slower. One last breath in and one last breath out. Well done, little dragon. Now it's time to sleep. The stars are watching over you. The cloud is carrying you safely, and your dragon heart is calm. Good night, my little dragon. Sweet dreams.